it's Joseph from Magic Touch USA. Today I'm going to show you the DTF MAGIC 20 and 24-inch DTF systems. These are run on Epson dual heads. Everything you see here is done for you already. These are machines already built for you, so all you have to do is get the machines, uncrate them, plug them in, and start printing. We also provide you with the laptop with the Cadlink software, so you can get the laptop with it as well, with a full set of inks, roll of film, and a bag of adhesive as well. So this machine is already done for you, built for you. So all you have to do, like I said, plug it in, drag an image, start printing, start making money. Very, very simple. These are all grade A inks, grade A films, grade A powder. What that means is you have high visibility, high durability, high stretchability. Very, very low maintenance because the white has a circulation white ink system, so you don't have to worry about head clogging or things of that nature. Now, let me show you how to press it. So now we'll show you how to press a DTF transfer with the DTF MAGIC. Here's your transfer. You're gonna have your heat press set at 300 degrees, and you're gonna press for a whopping 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds are done, this is going to be a hot or a cold peel. That's what's great about the DTF film. It's that a grade A film. 5 seconds are done. I'm going to bring it right up the heat press, and this is still hot. I'm just going to take it right off. It is all done. No need for post press or anything like that. Now you have a shirt that's going to last for life. How do you know it's going to last for life? Washability, durability, stretchability. Here we go. No cracking. The ink is embedded inside the fibers of the shirt. Any questions, any info, click on the link below, send us a message and we'll help you out. Thank you so much.